ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Wave dukhot ba Ehrang jong ka senking atiar Hnlc National Liberation Council yaw bala tip kerteng komu Emmanuel Suchen ulawan ban Pyndem no yaladi Hakhmat ki bor Pulit jong ka Kleriat East Jaiñtia Hills District haka Hnlc ubnai risau arajar arpway yakani la pentip do menteri ketenat ki kampo yeng ke sarkar jilla upa lakmen rembui habaya keren bat ki lat patai khubor uba rembui uli yatho ba u Emmanuel Suchen ula punya so bat ka seng Hnlc house nem arhajar ar bat ula syakem haki Pulit house nem arhajar pra bat syak set along hado lais nem kenti hadin bala pengat yu hapo ka an MPDA Shushu ba rembui uli yatho ba u Emmanuel Suchen hadin ba ula lait na along ula lait pai ban penyaso biang kemud khot jong ka seng Hnlc tat hado ba undawan Pyndem no yaladi mentaka sengi hakibor jong ka ai
Today in the morning one Hnlc cadre by the name of Emmanuel Suchen has surrendered himself to the ADM of Kleriat, East Jaiñtia Hills at Kleriat. So this person has joined the Hnlc in 2002 and he was arrested in 2008 and was jailed for 3 years under MPDA. But after that, he again went to his old habit. But better sense has prevailed. So today he surrendered himself to the police, and primarily we come to know that he has a hand in this blast in Star Cement and in this Kleriat reserve. So the interrogation is still going on to know the full detail. So as of now, that is the thing which I want to brief you. Due process of law will be taken, whatever may be deemed fit by the police department. As I said that all detail I have not, it is not there with me, but I'm very happy that he has surrendered to come into the mainstream. So government will do necessary. Necessary detail is not there with me. I have already mentioned you because that is the report which I know.